Hello everyone and welcome to my tech channel. In this video we will see how to create new rules. In the previous video we used the CC binary, the Python binary and the SH binary rules, but we are allowed to create our own rules, and I will show you how to do this. So the first step is to create a file with an extension .bzl and an implementation function which is defined in Starlight, just like in Python with def. And then we can name our new rule and use the rule function to create an instance of a rule. It takes a mandatory argument, which is the implementation, which is the function we just created, and a list, actually a dictionary of ATTRs, which are the attributes. And these are defined with, so the key must be a string, and then we have attr.string in this case, because we want in this rule we are going to take a string and we are going to simply write this string to a new file. So, there are different options. Just Google for Bazel ATTR to see all the possible options. The next step is to load that rule in our build file since we want to use it. And the way to do this is :colon or / followed by the full path to the Bazel file. If it was in a package, we would have to first include the name of the package first. And then we can use the new rule just like we would with a CC binary. So we have a name for the target, and then we declared our mandatory attribute to be text. So we specify this text here, and I'm setting hello world as the text that are going to be in my is going to be in my rule. Then we can build it. Oops. I had a typo. So we can build this target, but it's not doing anything for now since the implementation is simply pass. So we're going to create an implementation for this rule to, like I said, create a new file and put the text that is provided in our build file inside this new file. So we got to make sure that we're returning this file in the default info function. So I'm going to return a file which is like this. I'm returning a depth set actually, which is constituted only with my new file. Now I'm going to create my new file using ctx.actions.declare file, and this creates a file object which we're going to be able to use to add our text. And then the next step is to add the text. So using ctx.action.write with the it's not input, it's content. So the content will be the text that we get as an input from the build file. So this is we can refer to this using ctx.attr. and the name of our attribute, which in this case is text, but it wouldn't always be the case. It just depends on the name that you gave to your attribute. And the output is my new file, and we should be good to go. So now using Bazel Build again, we're trying to build this rule, and we're gonna add a new line to our string, otherwise it's going to look weird in the terminal. So let's look at the output file now with cat. So it's the output should be in Bazel bin and foo.txt, and as we see it's hello world. Thanks for watching. Until next time.